Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I actually saw this on somebody else's video, how they did it, and I wasn't going to copy it, but then I want to take it to the next step. So this one looks like it's over, under, over, under, over, under. Kind of give it a 3D look like the rings are interlocking, and anybody could draw this. It's really simple, just a couple of steps. And this video is also a short, so it no speaking and going real fast. So I'm going to make an ellipse. I'm going to hit P. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to bring that, holding down the Shift key, bring it in. And then Control D again, that put it equally. I'm going to grab all three of them and hit B like in boy. Now I've set my nudge factor on 10 inches, which not really enough. I'll set it on 15. And I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and fill that in and move it over and fill that in and move it over. And then just get rid of these lines and delete them. Now put it right back. I'm just using the arrow keys. I'm going to go ahead and take away the outline so you can't even see it. But grab the top one, grab your interactive fill tool, and go from about one side to the other, and then put another color. And you don't have to use my colors. Matter of fact, I'm going to change it up. Let's see. Let's make it red and yellow. And then have this kind of like right in the middle. Now in the next one, same thing, interactive fill tool, go from about the center of that one to that, but this time put red here or any other color and yellow on the other side. So it kind of gives it a 3D appearance look anyway. Now group that together with Control G, let's move it up a little bit. And I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and then double click on the rotation and put it right there on that node. Rotate it 90 degrees. So what you have is this one's fully in the back. This one is over, under. This one is over, under, but this one is over, over. So we need to change one of these. So what we can do is take a rectangle, make sure you kind of get it all, while you've got that selected, hold down the Shift key and select that one and go to Intersect. Let me move these out of the way. And then I'm going to take my new Intersect out. So that is the top. We might have to do this twice. I might have been a little bit confused. So then take this one, go to Object, Order, Back of Page. And so now, well, that one's right. This one's still right. You know, I should have done the bottom one. So never mind, let's back up here. Grab a rectangle. You just need to kind of get all 4 points. Holding down the Shift key, select this one and go to Intersect and move it out of the way. Go ahead and move your rectangle out of the way. And then we're going to put this one to the back of page. But then we're going to move this, and it's on the top of the page. So really I only had to do one. I just had to do the correct one the first time. So it looks like it's over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. Kind of a neat effect. And even cooler than that, if you did use the clone tool, you could change all 4 of them before you started intersecting to see what it looked like. But it does, by reversing the intersect tool, this actually looks like a peak between the 2 colors. Anyway, fun little project. Thank you for watching.